We at Ocean View Home just want to thank everyone who has been part of our journey. Without great staff, families, parents, friends, SARC, LPAs, service coordinators, this would not be possible. So thank you for allowing us to serve with you.
And the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me.